Welcome to Soft Tech Knowledge. Today we are going to learn how to create an attractive logo for YouTube channel for free. Now just open your browser, in Google search, type canva.com. Then click on the canva.com. This is the home page for canva.com. Now click on the sign up for free, log in with Google or Facebook account. In my case I have Gmail ID. Now I log in with Gmail ID. Enter your login detail, email ID and password. Click on the next button. And congratulations, now you're successfully logged in with the canva.com. Now in canva.com search bar, type YouTube channel logo. These are some sample template logos. You may choose any one of this. Now I am going to choose this one. Now just select text and type your channel name. Now I am typing an example name like Simple Gaming Channel. You type your channel name and press enter. Now this is the logo look like. You can change a color of an object and also change color of an text as you wish. This is the final result of a logo. Now just download this logo in PNG format. Here is the downloaded logo look like. Now you can easily upload this logo to your YouTube channel. Subscribe for more.